just going to do another comparison today with my Tika T3 6.5 Creedmoor, shooting 140 grain projectiles at around 2600 feet per second. This is the Terminator T2B on it. So here it is here. And here's the new TT Terminator that'll screw straight onto the Ruger precision rifle and the Tika CTR in either 6.5/260 or 308. And in one of my earlier tests you can see the results of the larger 308 hole, and it has very little effect on the 6.5 projectile and recoil reduction. So here it is here with the new Terminator TT. Here it is with nothing on at all. So that's where it ended up, with nothing on at all. And there's a T2B, a loaded round, and the new TT Terminator brakes. As you can see, the locals aren't too worried about the noise I'm making. The lawn's just been mowed, so they're quite into picking up all the grubs. Now, wick is a New Zealand native bird. And they get pretty close to you. Curious little buggers. Anyway, that's where they ended up. Thanks for watching.